Hi there, this is Amit and this is the OPPO Reno2 unboxing, and in this video I'll be showing you all the features of the latest OPPO Reno2 smartphone. So let's get started. So guys, here's the latest OPPO Reno2 box, and on the back we have some details available like 8GB RAM, 256GB storage, and we have the luminous black variant with us. Let's open this up quickly and show you what all we get within this package. So first thing first, once you open up the box, we have this information guide, or you can say the information booklet, where you get all the details about this smartphone in different Indian regional languages. Let's put this aside, and here we have the SIM card ejector pin. Following this, we have this OPPO Reno2 smartphone, which I'll be placing in the side for a moment, and then first showing you all the package contents. First thing first, we have here a micro USB. Well, no, that's the Type-C cable within this package. Following this, we have this beautiful different looking case, which also has this special stitching pattern which gives it a very beautiful design. Following this, we have a earphone within the box itself, though it's not wireless, but then we shouldn't be complaining because we still get an earphone within a smartphone box, because that's rare these days at least. And following this, we have this OPPO's Reno2's power brick, which is powered by VOOC 3.0, and it comes with 20 watt power output. So these are the package contents. Let's move this out and let me give you a clear look on the Reno2 smartphone. And first thing first, what you look here is a vertical branding wherein we have OPPO designed for Reno, but what's more important is the reflection which you get on this, which gives it a very beautiful design and a complete different look. Again, we have some additional camera setup here. So let's talk about the physical overview. On the rear, we have this quad camera setup, followed where you have the first 14 megapixel camera, following which we have 13, 8 and 2 megapixel camera, and then we have this vertical branding. On the right, we have this on off switch, following which we have the SIM card tray, and on the left we have the volume rockers. On the top you have this special rising camera, about which I'll be talking later on, and on the bottom you have the 3.5 headset jack and the microphone, following which we have the Type-C port and the speaker grill. Specs overview. The OPPO Reno2 comes with a 6.5 inches OLED screen where you get a 20:9 panoramic screen. It's a 2400 by 1080p resolution, and it comes with a 93.1 screen to body ratio. The phone is protected with the Corning Gorilla Glass 6 on the front and Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on the back, and again it has a hidden receiver, and it comes with 0 ports on the surface, again, which means that it has in-display proximity and light sensors. If you talk about the processor, the phone comes powered with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G, and it comes with 4 camera setup where you have 48 plus 13 plus 8 plus 2 megapixel setup. On the front, we have the Sony's IMX471 sensor, which means it comes with a 16 megapixel camera with AI beautification algorithm. The phone is powered with a 4000 mAh battery and VOOC 3.0, following which you also have 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. And here we are onto the home screen, where we have this smart assistant where you get a lot of different cards. You can swipe them out, you can get latest information here. Following which we have this home screen where we have the Google based folder, tools folder, and some pre-installed applications. Let's go to the settings quickly, and here under the settings we have a lot of options, but then let's go to the about area, and here you can see the phone's color OS version is 6.1, and we also have the Android version, which is Android 9. That's Android Pie out of the box. Following this, let's take a look at other components, and here we have the processor and RAM information, but out of the box the phone comes with 223GB available. One interesting thing which I liked is the latest Android security patch, which is August 5th 2019. Now let's take a quick look at the camera setup. The phone comes with some interesting features, which includes the latest night mode where you get very good photos in low light, plus we have the expert, time lapse, slow motion mode, and following which we also have some other modes like the sticker mode plus video. Now one interesting thing about the video is that the phone features you with 1080p in 60 fps, which is very rare in most of the smartphones, and also obviously the 4K video recording. When you talk about the other areas, we have the photo mode, portrait mode, and when you talk about the photo mode, we have these regular options wherein you also get the option of wide angle photos, something like this. But what's more important is that you also have the option of 20x zoom. When you talk about the front camera, these are the options which you get. Again, portrait looks clearly cool because everything lets blurred away, and On the top you have the panoramic mode, time lapse and sticker, where you can play around with some different stickers, something like this. Again, here are a few camera samples which can give you an idea on how good the OPPO Reno 2's camera is. Now let's talk about the security. Well, this phone comes with a hidden camera. Again, technically there's no camera here, there's no sensor, there's nothing here. The moment you want to unlock your phone, the camera pops out, which is because of the rising camera setup. So let me try it out and see. I have already set up the fingerprint, which is the in-display fingerprint sensor, and the front camera. So let's try it out. Here is the fingerprint unlocking, and that works flawlessly, very quick. Now let's try the face unlock, and that was quick. Well, yes. Well, it did work when I closed my eyes because that was an option available in the settings. But this is how the fingerprint and face unlock works, and it works great on the OPPO's Reno 2 smartphone. Again, overall, if I talk about my first impressions, the phone looks very impressive. Again, I have no idea about the pricing, but as of now, it does look like a very premium flagship smartphone. And again, OPPO is launching multiple devices, so one of them is this one, and I guess this is the best of all. And here we get one variant only, 8GB RAM and 256GB storage, which means you don't have to worry about the storage and also obviously the performance. So overall, this looks like a very terrific smartphone with a lot of interesting package features packaged into the same. Again, these were my first impressions about the OPPO Reno 2 smartphone. Now let's talk about the giveaway. Well guys, we have another channel which is where we put our content in Hindi, where we have a giveaway of the OPPO Reno 2 smartphone. Again, as always, you can check out our website, which is phoneradar.com/giveaway, to find out all the details about this giveaway of the OPPO Reno 2 smartphone. This was the complete unboxing and my first impressions. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and stay subscribed to this channel for more videos. I'm Amit, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you and bye bye.